Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tamara, and this is Reimagining 50 Plus, which basically means taking a look at our lives after we reach the age of 50 and deciding what we want to do with it. There are certain aspects that come with aging that need to be dealt with, and then there's also the aspect of doing things that maybe we have never done before, giving ourselves permission to do things, have a little fun in life. So those are the things that we like to talk about and do here on this channel. So if that sounds like something that is interesting to you, make sure you subscribe. I do try to put out a new video every Thursday. So welcome. So today I'm going to unbox a Stitch Fix delivery. I got it in the mail yesterday afternoon and I held on to it. I didn't want to open it until you were here to see it with me. This is my winter box. I had chosen to get a box seasonally rather than every month. And I don't know if you recall, in my last video, it took a couple of boxes before we really got it right. So I'm hoping that this box will be everything I dreamed it would be. And if that sounds like something you would like to see, stay tuned. We're gonna dig in. Okay, so I just put it in front of me here. There we go, you can see it better. And I'm going to open it up for the first time. I have no idea. Remember last time I was hoping to get some things to go on a trip, and of course was canceled due to COVID. So the first thing out of the box is the return envelope. And if you are new to Stitch Fix, they send you a return envelope so that it is completely free to return anything that you do not want to keep. If you don't want anything out of the box, which if you will recall, I didn't want anything out of one of the boxes and I sent it all back and they offered me an opportunity to try again. So they're really good about that. So there's that. And then I have my little, oh, hello. My little sheet. Oh, I almost don't want to look because it kind of ruins the surprise. But anyway, this is a styling and a little personalized note from my stylist. So that's very sweet. All right. So I like that. And then whenever you open it up, it's packaged very nicely. I must say, you do a nice job. Okay. Oh. Okay. So my first look into the box is kind of nice. Okay, my size. Oh, I do like this. I do like this quite a bit. So I will try this on later, the pink and blue. I do like all things pink and blue. So I wear a lot of navy and I like this style a lot. So that's actually, I think right off the bat, there's something in here that I like. They charge you a $20 styling fee. And when you choose something out of the box, that $20 goes directly towards whatever you purchase. So you don't really feel like you're spending a lot. Now this almost feels familiar. This almost looks like something I had before that I wound up not keeping because I know it's not in my closet right now. So remember the last time I did this, I was in my closet. I have to clean my closet out because it's a little messy from the holidays, but well, this is not bad. Again, I like navy, so we'll try that on. And then, now this is the one that really caught my eye because I do like yellow. I do like yellow. Oh, okay, so this is kind of cute. It's a little lightweight for a winter box, I'm surprised, but maybe with a camisole or something underneath. I like the colors. I'm liking the colors. So far, there's nothing I hate. That's always good. Ooh, now this is really soft. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Okay, now this is something I would never pick this for myself, but that's the beauty of having a stylist choose things for you that perhaps you would never pick, right? A color block. And it's super soft. Oh my goodness. This is from Market Spruce. Ooh, really very cozy, I must say. Okay, we'll see if it cuts me in half because I am 5 feet tall, aka on the petite side, and I usually shy away from things that cut me in half. So we'll see how this looks on. As I said, I will show you, but for now. Oh, now maybe this goes, oh, I bet this goes underneath. Yes, this must go with this, right? Because otherwise this is too sheer to wear by itself. So a little yellow camisole. That must go with that. Okay, that's nice. That's like a 2-for-1 piece. And then a pair of jeans. So, put the box over here so it's not in the way. All right. Oh, now this is entirely different from the jeans that they sent me last time. This is Curve Equality from Democracy, and they are one solid color. But look, I don't know if this is a boot hem. Is this considered a boot hem? I don't know. It's not a straight, so it's got a slight flare. We'll see where it hits on my short leg. Well, I don't have a super short leg. I have a 29-30 inseam, but overall, you know, I'm on the short side. So, okay, well, we'll try this on and see how it looks together. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. These are the Catherine bootcut high-rise jeans by Democracy, and they were $78 before the 25% discount. The Tabitha lattice detail top is the yellow one that I really liked a lot. It's by Pale Sky, and it was $68. I liked it. I liked the detail. I liked the split in the back. I thought that was really cute extra detail. And as far as the jeans go, very comfortable. I cannot complain. Wished the pockets were a little closer together, but overall, I liked them and they were comfortable. This is the super soft Denver Front Twist by Market and Spruce. And this top was $38 before the discount and amazingly cozy. I really liked it. I thought it looked okay. I didn't feel like it cut me in half as much as I thought it would. And so overall, I'm very pleased. Certainly with the comfort factor alone, it was worth it. This is the navy Warren split neck blouse by Lush that I thought looked familiar to me. So not sure why, but I actually liked it once I got it on. It's a nice conservative blouse. It's, it's styled in a trendy way, but it doesn't look over the top, which I think when you're over the age of 50, you want to look stylish, but you don't want to look like you're chasing the trends of the moment. And I think this blouse did a good job of combining both a good look for me as well as an updated look, which is what I'm going for. Here we have my favorite, which was the pink and blue Coda split neck blouse. And this is in a size petite medium. This was $68. It's by Daniel Rain. And I think if I weren't so crazy about it, I would have thought, I don't need to spend that much. But with the 25% discount off of the entire box and the fact that I really liked the pink and blue combination, if you remember from my last Stitch Fix box, I have a pink rain jacket that I enjoy wearing. And so this is a really nice tie-in with the navy and the pink. So overall, I really like this one the best. This is one of my favorites. I really like this color combination, and I really loved that yellow. Now, did I need another pair of jeans? No. However, I liked all of the tops, and if you buy everything in the box, they give you a 25% discount off of the whole thing. If you only buy one or two things, then you pay the price listed. Of course, you get your $20 off, which is your $20 styling fee. You get that off the top of whatever you purchase. So I'm going to have to think about it. I really liked that two-toned, soft, sweatery, amazingly comfortable. And I don't know about you, but I have a little bit of extra right around the middle. Not a lot, but enough to make it, feel a little
pudgy.
So it has a wonderful little tie loop. I don't know what you call that, where they sort of loop it together, the fabric, and make it look like it's a knot, but it's not. So I'm gonna put it all on again and walk around in front of my mirror. I'm 90% sure that I'm going to take the whole box, which I think is pretty fabulous because this is the fourth box. Remember, I sent one whole box back, and then this time my stylist wrote me a nice little note and said that she had reviewed all of my notes. She said, I saw your note about a higher waisted jean. So, I can't complain. They're very good as far as their customer service and paying attention to what you like. So I feel like with this stylist looking at me and my body shape and my body type, she really did a good job this time. I'm pretty happy with the stitch fix. I'm pretty darn happy indeed. So let me know if you've tried it and what your experience was. I'm very interested to know how they do if you have a monthly box being delivered. So I'm not going to cancel it. I think I want to see what the spring box has in store for me. So far, so good. So, hey, speaking of this, give me a thumbs up if you like this and make sure you subscribe because we'll be doing more every Thursday. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.